the final nutrient we can use within the aerobic system to create ATP for energy is protein. However, protein is sort of our last resort. A couple of reasons why. First of all, protein is really, really important in the structures of the body, so the muscles, ligaments, tendons, skin, hair, organs, enzymes. So it's sort of a last resort. We're breaking down the body to create energy if we start using proteins. This is also more complicated because as well as carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, like carbohydrates and fats, proteins include nitrogen too, which isn't so easy to get rid of. We'll come back to that. So if proteins are to be used, there's processes they have to go through. First of all, protein has to be broken down through a process of deamination into its constituent amino acids. Because there's so many different amino acids, it's hard to pinpoint exactly what happens when protein breaks down. There's a number of different options. Amino acids can be transferred directly into glucose through gluconeogenesis. In that case, they then just follow the exact same pathway that glucose would through glycolysis, link reaction, Krebs cycle, electron transport chain. Some amino acids can be turned into some of the other constituent parts of the oxidative system. So they might be turned into pyruvate, they might be turned into acetyl coenzyme A. So they enter this aerobic energy production at various different points. And as such, they're therefore capable of creating differing amounts of ATP each. Now, the nitrogen that comes out is a waste product that has to be dealt with. So nitrogen can then be transferred into urea to go out in the urine. It can transfer into ammonia. Ammonia can be problematic because that's toxic to the body, and again, would be eliminated via the urine. And ammonia production has been linked to fatigue in some aspects. The issue there also is that sort of processing of nitrogen to get rid of it from the body uses energy as well. So whilst a gram of protein contains 4 calories, almost the same as carbohydrates do, you're actually going to get less energy out of the protein because we have to deal with that nitrogen as well, which causes us to use some energy. So we tend to see protein contributing very, very little and only becomes a more significant energy producer in extremely long-term events where we're running out of fats and carbohydrate stores.